Hi everybody, this is Adam Sweet. Today's mandolin lesson is Jingle Bells, and we're going to play it in the key of C. And so the first note you're going to play is E, open E, and you're going to play 3 of those in the first little phrase, and that goes with the words Jingle Bells. So you repeat that. That's for the second Jingle Bells. And then Jingle All the Way is, or open E, second finger on the 3rd fret E, or G note, C, second finger on the 3rd fret A string, and then D, 4th finger on the 5th fret A string, and then open E. So far we have E, 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 G, C, D, E. Next note we need is F. So F is right down here in the 1st fret, right next to the nut, 1st fret E string. So we're going to do 3 of those. That's Oh What Fun. Now, It Is to Ride starts with F. So that's pretty easy. It's F, F, open E, open E. The next part in the one-horse open sleigh is E, D, E, D, and then Jingle Bells again. E, 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 G, C, D, E, F, F, F. Now you're going to add another F. So that's 4 Fs. And then F, E, E. And the last part is E, G, G, F, D, C. So real slow. That's it. And then the chords, if it's in the key of C, are going to be 1, 4, 5 in the key of C, which is C. What's the 5? G. And the 4 is F. So, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. F, oh what fun it is to ride, back to C. In a one-horse open sleigh. G, back to C. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. F, oh what fun it is to ride, back to C. In a one-horse open sleigh. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. And if you have any questions at all about anything, you can post them in the comments below, or you can do it, contact me through my website at granbymusic.com or one of the Facebook mandolin groups. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.